Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a stunning Instagram split using Canva, a simple yet effective way to enhance your Instagram profile's visual appeal. First, we'll start by selecting the Instagram post size, which is 1080px by 1080px. Then, choose the image you want to split and position it perfectly in the center of the canvas. Next, head over to Canva Apps and search for a free tool called Image Splitter. Once you find it, click on your image and set both the rows and columns to 3 then. Then hit Split Image, and just like that, this amazing tool will divide your main image into 9 equal parts. To make things even easier, click on Add Images to New Pages, and wait a few moments for the process to complete. While you wait, take a second to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Once the images are split, you'll see 9 new pages, labeled from Split 1 to Split 9. Now it's time to download them. Select PNG format for the best quality, and make sure to exclude the original image before downloading. After downloading, extract the zip file on your desktop and then start uploading the images in reverse order, from Split 9 to Split 1, to your Instagram. This will ensure that the split effect appears correctly on your feed. And that's it! We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comments what Canva techniques you'd love to learn next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial.